Oh, I can't wait to open this. Hi friends, welcome back. So we're gonna get into this unboxing of these awesome samples for a client I have who's looking to redo and redesign, do a light redesign on their primary ensuite bathroom. We actually started on this project a few months back when they first closed on their townhome. And the great thing about it is since that time, they've identified that they actually want to ensure that whatever vanity we put in the primary ensuite, the same vanity we use for all of their bathrooms, including their powder room and a secondary bedroom bathroom. So that gives us a lot of great direction on where we're headed. And the fun thing about that is the other bathroom in the bedroom ensuite is for kids. So we get to have fun in both spaces. So here we have actually a sample of the vanity material we're looking to go for. We want to do a mid-tone grain. It's neutral enough to go with the design of the primary ensuite because they're looking to coordinate the colors in their ensuite with this awesome custom picture they have that has a lot of rich, bold tones, blacks and reds and blues and yellows. But since this is a neutral wood, mid-tone wood, we can play up on this any way we want to in the other bathroom as well as the powder room. Here we have this awesome tile. One of the things we want to do in this project is bring some texture to the flooring in the primary ensuite. And because we're going to be leaning into blacks, I know, sounds interesting, but the primary ensuite is fairly small. But the primary ensuite has a smaller footprint, but it has this awesome transom window above the shower, so it gets plenty of light. So the black that we bring into the space won't absorb too much of the light there. And this tile on the floor, I think, would be great, especially since it's a large enough print, but these small lines together don't make it too busy. And you'll only see a few of these circles because it's such a small footprint in the bathroom. This is actually a simulation of what the stone could look like for the vanity top. While we'll use the same cabinet throughout the bathrooms, we'll definitely do a more luxurious stone in the primary ensuite, and this is one of the options we chose for the client to take a look at and get a feel for. It speaks to some of these blacks, but as you can see, it has hints of green throughout it. And this is a Violetta marble slab if we end up choosing this design. Here are some other more neutral, a little less dramatic, and I think they play really well with this. And as you can see, we could do something little fancy for the owner and their primary ensuite and bring in something a lot more neutral in the powder room, since we'll probably do a more bold design in the powder room and we don't want the countertops to compete. And then we can bring in something fairly neutral in the kids' bathroom. We want something that's really durable and really timeless, since they don't plan on being in this space too long. But all of these are great options for the direction we're headed. And here, where we have a lot of fun. this is actually going to be some wallpaper samples. And I know you might be thinking wallpaper samples. However, the wallpaper and the paint we're looking at doing plays off of the picture that the homeowner has. So they were interested in seeing some black paint in the bathroom, because since we're looking at doing an actual wallpaper on part of the walls, and I know it seems a little risky to do wallpaper in the bathroom, but if you pick the right type of wallpaper, you don't have to worry about warping or the humidity messing up the wallpaper. And so we're going to do it on part of the wall, but the rest of the wall, we can either play off this black, or we could do this beautiful neutral white, which is timeless and would play well even in some of the other bathroom spaces. Now, one of the things we're really excited about is bringing in gold into the primary ensuite. And so as you could see, this French gold would look amazing with this black paint and this mid-tone wood. And if we were to go with a countertop like this one, oh my goodness. Look at how that gold picks up here. This Kohler faucet deck mount. Oh, it's gonna be great. And because it's a deck mount and it's in the primary owner suite, we don't really have to worry about running into too many problems. So if we were to go with this black, and what I'm thinking is, follow me here. There was a wallpaper they were really drawn to that really plays off. Oh my goodness, that's gonna look so good with the picture they have. I wish I could show you, but I can't, of course, show you because without permission from the artist. But this yellow is the exact yellow. It's almost like a deeper yellow. It's really close to mustard off the yellow in their picture in their bathroom they want to use. But I have a few more options. I think with something like this, we want to do a more neutral floor. It really wouldn't want to get into something this busy. But if we wanted to go even more bold, we could bring in something a little more architectural. And this definitely would take this out of the running of what we would use for the flooring. Although this would look really good in the powder room with a mid-tone wood. I don't know if I love this wallpaper, but we definitely wanted to give her a few options. And then we have something even bolder from Olivia and Poppy. And I really like this. It comes in all of these different colors. But I think the one that would compete the least is actually the background with the white, because the picture she's using is so busy. And you always want to have that statement moment that really drives the design in the space. And for her, it's her custom artwork. But actually, now that I see it in person, I'm thinking this white might work really well. Actually, I mean, the wood goes and matches with both of them, but it definitely could work with this. And so then one other thing I want to show you guys is actually some hardware we're looking at. So while we're looking at this French gold for the faucet, for hardware, depends. I think it's really going to drive where we end up going with the Vanity materials. And I'm pretty sure we're going to go with this mid-tone wood. But we saw this gorgeous knob, and I really wanted to bring in something textural for this space and something a little tactile. So we'd either go this direction. It's a little heavier, but it has this fabrication that makes it tactile to the pull and the touch, which I love. And we would pick up a faucet that was a little more burnished than this French gold, although I really love that French gold. But I'm also thinking with some of the tile we have here, this would play very nicely off of this gold. Even this one, it picks up more on the brown and it will look really lovely. So I think we're looking at really these two for that bathroom in the primary ensuite. And there you have it. We think we've selected some beautiful options for our client that she's gonna love and that are gonna pair so nicely with her gorgeous picture that she's gonna put up in the bathroom. These options are not only beautiful, but they're great options for durability, beauty, and functionality. We really hope that this helped you get a peek inside how we go about choosing options for our clients to take a look at based on their design objectives and scope of their project. And we really appreciate you stopping by today. If you have any fun projects coming up, we'd love to hear about it. Drop down in the comments and tell us what you're working on. And if you come across some really cool samples for your designs, or even what you're using for inspiration to complete the look. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload and more updates on this project. And if you're looking to refresh your space but don't quite know where to get started, head on over to our blog on our website, and we have posts about design choices, colors, and even how to hone in on what's going to make sense in your space. Until next time, bye.